Now, open the door and finish the hinge installation. The plastic bag attached to the door frame has two number 10 2.5-inch exterior screws in it. Drive these screws into the two empty holes closest to the weather strip to anchor the door to the frame. Next, secure the strike plate, following the manufacturer's instructions. If you have a Therma-Tru adjustable strike plate, drill 1/8-inch diameter pilot holes through the strike plate and into the jamb. Then insert the two number 8 2.5-inch screws provided with the strike plate into the holes. After the door lock is installed, the adjustable strike plate can be moved in and out to ensure correct weather strip compression and proper strike latching. Finally, trim all shims so that they do not extend beyond the rough opening.